Things are constantly changing in Excel, and so if you've used named ranges, it's very likely that a named range may grow or shrink or get wider or narrower. We need to know how to manage our named ranges, how to delete them, and how to edit them. To manage the named ranges, you actually need the Name Manager, and this is in the Formulas tab in the ribbon. In the Formulas tab in the ribbon is a group called Defined Names, and there's the Name Manager. The Name Manager can also be called up by pressing the key combination Ctrl F3, as it shows here. But as it indicates with the use of the screen tooltip, it's saying Creates, Edits, Deletes, and Find All Names in a Workbook. I'm going to right-click the Name Manager and add it to my Quick Access toolbar because I'm going to use it quite a bit today. Having added the Name Manager to my Quick Access toolbar, I can now click this button and easily manage my names. The name that has the blue symbol is the Format as a Table name, and that was created by Excel. The ones with the yellow symbols are ours. As I click on each named range, I can actually see in the lower part of this dialog box the range it refers to. So for example, if I click on Deadlines, I can see that Deadlines refers to the range G1 to G271 in the sheet called Targets. If that list of deadlines has since grown and now goes down to row 500, I will need to update the fact that this needs to now go to 500 instead of 271. To edit a name range, I'm simply going to click on the bottom here and backspace 3 times and take out 271 and replace it with 500. As soon as I press enter, then I've updated that named range. So it's easy to edit a named range just by clicking on it and making a change here, or using this little button and running off to the sheet and dragging over the range that it applies to. I can easily also delete a named range in here. So for example, I've decided I actually don't need deadlines. I'll click on Deadlines and I can use the delete button or either my delete key to delete that named range. So I'll click the delete button and it asks me, are you sure that you want to delete the named deadlines? And I'll go OK, and it disappears off my list. So as far as editing, creating and deleting named ranges, it's easily done, and the Name Manager will also help you do this. I'll now close my Name Manager.